guys, this is Elena. We're at PS Fit. It's Monday and naturally leg day. I'm so excited to introduce you to the newest addition to the family, the Smith machine that I've been asking David for about 2.5 years, and it's finally here, so I'm very excited. Safety first, so I'm going to show you how to fail a squat safely on this machine. There's two main safety features. So the first one is going to require you to get under the bar, of course, and then you're going to take the bar forward, perform the squat, and all you need to do is to rotate the bar back to form the squat, and then get out from under the bar. So that's the first one. The second one, there's the safety features right over here at the bottom. So you can place them a little bit higher on both sides. Maybe not this high. All right, and then you get under the bar. Rotate the bar forward. Perform the squat. And then if you fail over here, you just get out from under it. I wanted to cover the differences between using the Smith machine and field squatting. One of the main things is the feet placement, because the Smith machine, as you go down, it goes at a little bit of an incline, so you can put your feet slightly forward, which will increase the depth of your squat and work those glutes even more, even harder. So it will look like this. Feet placement forward, and go down, nice depth, and then you come up, just like that.